Number 8. Which expression is equivalent to 9x squared plus 5x? Usually with equivalent expressions, especially when there's an x squared in the mix, we're going to be looking for factoring. If we have 3 terms, which is normally represented as like ax squared plus bx plus c, where we have 3 numbers there, 3 constants, we're looking more for things like, when we're doing 2 binomials like x plus something, x minus something, that kind of thing. When it's just 2 terms, be on the lookout for greatest common factors or like a difference of squares, where it's something like x squared minus 9. In this case, there is an x for both of those, 9x squared plus 5x. So it's this sort of scenario. In that case, we want to be looking for a greatest common factor. Is there something that we can pull out of this? So 9x squared plus 5x. First, let's look at the numbers. We have 9 and 5. Is there any number besides 1 that goes into both of those evenly? No, there isn't. In 9 is just 1 times 9 or 3 times 3. So 3 and 9 go into it. And then 5 is just 1 times 5. So there is no common number, common factor that goes into both of them. So whatever we pull out, the 9 and the 5 are staying behind. We can't pull out a number. Now how about the x's? If both terms have a variable, and it is the same variable, can be to an exponent, but the base has to be the same, then we can pull something out. And this is, there is an x of some power attached to both of them, so we can pull at least one x out. How many can we pull out? You're going to look for which one has the smallest exponent. In this case, it's just x, which is the same as x to the power of 1. That's the smallest. That's the one we can pull out. It's always the smallest. We're talking about variables. So we can pull out a single x, and what is left behind? Well, to see what's left behind, you would say x times what equals x squared. Well, that would just be an x. And then x times what equals x? 1. So I don't really have to write anything because it's just 1 left behind. All right, and the sign here stays the same. So x times 9x plus 5. I have pulled out that factor, and let's look at our options over here. And sure enough, there we are. X times 9x plus 5. If you're having problems pulling out the greatest common factor, something else you can do is look at these, and you can distribute and see if it equals, gets you back to that expression. That's a good way to check as well. So let's say if you're going back through your work and seeing, did I pull out the greatest common factor right? I said it was A. Is that true? You can distribute this and go x times 9x is 9x squared. X times 5 is 5x. Yep, that's what I said, and it's good. And then you know you've got it right, that it is A. Hey guys, if this was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know so I can keep helping you and others like you. Comment, like, share, subscribe, you know the drill. Also, if you're interested in practical or fun math-related items like this math clock or this hopefully humorous t-shirt, click on the links down below to check out my Spreadshop and Etsy stores. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.